We are Lindsey plus Mike, and last fall we had a crazy idea to renovate an RV and spend the summer traveling across the United States. This week, Lindsey takes her mom and the kids to visit the dam that the town we're camping in is built around. And Mike finally takes an exam that will change this channel forever.
Passed my drone certification test.
If you're enjoying our adventures, please remember to like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell to be notified when we post a new video each week.
Hello world, we are getting ready to go to the Bonneville Dam. Bonneville Dam.
We're going to the Bonneville Lock and Dam today, and we're leaving Mike here because he's studying to take the drone exam tomorrow. So it's just my mom, the kids, and I, and we're gonna go check out this really cool dam across the Colorado River.
Are we actually going across the river?
We're gonna stay on this side of the river.
And we're going to meet Herman.
Who's Herman?
You'll see.
We're going to meet Herman, but we don't know who Herman is. Alex, are you excited?
Uh-huh.
All right, guys. Everybody got shoes on? Alex? Do you have shoes on, Alex?
I do.
You do?
Uh-huh, why?
Are those your shoes?
Uh-huh, yeah.
They look a little big for you. That was intense.
Yeah, wow.
We just got searched. The vehicle just got searched. I guess so that, well, because this is government property and
It's a dam.
it's a dam, and I'm probably not supposed to say what they're probably checking for.
It could be a target.
Yeah, exactly. So I don't know if I'm allowed to say anything like that on YouTube.
Well, that's all we'll say.
Yeah. You probably can guess what they were searching for. Like, you guys, the dam, this is the dam here. Like,
Yikes, there's a lot of water on our right.
yeah, tons and tons of water behind this building. And it's low over there, so if it ruptured, we'd be washed away. So we checked out the Bonneville Lock and Dam, which was super, super cool. We got to see the fish going up the fish ladder, and now we are checking out the fish hatchery. Supposedly there is a giant sturgeon here, and his name is Herman, and he's a little bit famous. I guess he's a little bit of a local celebrity. So as soon as my mom is done checking out the gift shop, we are going to go and find Herman.
Hey guys. Felicity, Alex, Lindsey, let's go see Herman. He's back there.
400,000 baby salmon in there. And over here is white sturgeon. This might be, maybe this is where Herman is. So my mom was just telling me that sturgeon have not changed in over 200 million years. They are living dinosaurs. Wow, wow. You guys, I think that's Herman. If I had to guess, I would guess these fish are at least 8 feet long. They are huge. Unbelievably huge. I thought it was going to be just one big one, Herman, but there's like at least 5 of them in here. All of them really, really, really big. This is incredible. And the sign here said that they can get up to 18 feet long. Hey, you want to tell everybody the good news?
Passed my drone certification test.
I don't think we've talked at all about that we have a drone.
No, we haven't, because I couldn't use the drone.
We've used it a couple of times, but I think we're not supposed to use the footage of it from it.
So once you purchase a drone, in order to actually use the drone commercially, which for our YouTube channel, that would definitely qualify, you need to be certified with the FAA. So the plan was I was going to get the drone, and then there was going to be no rush on actually getting the certification, because as far as we knew, you could use the footage as long as you weren't making money off of it. The law specifically states if you record drone footage with the intention of possibly making money off of it. It would be nice if the channel eventually did make some money, and therefore there is the potential that this footage could be used commercially. And that means I needed to get certified. I did not realize that little twist in the way it works until we had started our trip. We're close enough to Portland that I could finally schedule this test, and I took it today. I passed, so now I'm filling all the information into
Well, wait, tell everybody how hard it was.
So I knew I would eventually have to take this test, and before we left, there was a brief moment where I was going to try and take the test. But then I kind of looked into it, and everything I was reading was saying how hard this test is. You can't just walk in and take it and pass.
And would you say that's true?
Yes.
Now that you've taken it?
Yes, I would agree with that.
Would you have failed it if you had taken it then?
Yes. I could not walk into the building and pass this test without any sort of study. So when I was kind of researching this before we left, that's when I decided, well, we'll record the drone footage because it's going to be so long before we're making money off of this. I don't need the certification.
Oops.
So we've had this drone this whole trip that's just been sitting here in its little case. I broke it out a couple times just to, practice a little bit, but can't use that footage until now. Now, everything I shoot from here on, we can use.
Woohoo! We're celebrating today.
Expect drone footage in the future now.
Yay! Insert little, fireworks here, pew, 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 pew. We're so excited and we're so proud of you. So next up, drone footage. We're hiking up to the top of a little peninsula mountain to get our first official certified drone footage. Woohoo!
Yep.
The sun is almost setting, and seriously can't wait to see the footage that we get tonight. My mom and I took a little mini adventure here the other day, and it was so gorgeous that I knew this was the place to bring Mike for his very first drone footage.